The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Ain't nothing like a Jamaican beef patty. Ain't nothing like a Jamaican beef patty.
Fresh man. What is it called?
Yeah.
What is it called? What? Something beefy.
Juicy beefy.
Beefy juicy.
Something like that.
Alright everyone, Dancehall Skilla is here again. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see it? Alright, so I just presented to you a video that shows the American singer who goes by the name of Kelly Rowland. And in my point of view, the video shows Kelly Rowland enjoying a party. That seems to be a Jamaica party, you see what I said? Alright, the video also shows someone else viewers and subscribers, and you know, I'm not going to say much about that video. You can let me know what you think about that video because I have more videos and the audio that I'm going to present to you. Alright, now before I present another video to you, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, now the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person pushing a wheelbarrow and a drunken man was laying in that wheelbarrow. Yeah, the video is going to show a drunken man laying in that wheelbarrow and that person was pushing the wheelbarrow. See, I would like to say to each and everyone that you must be an adult to be drinking. And if you're going to drink, drink responsibly, right? And I'd like to encourage each and everyone to do not drink too much alcohol because it can be dangerous for your health, all right? Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Rum to bomb, my God, rum. I give you any more rum again. See myself. Come on. Shut up. You come on, I get pushed up. Come on, get me. Okay.
Bubble out clot, you can't go.
Where you go?
You had my bumbo clot and you feel like me, man.
You not gonna eat the food, man?
Where food at, man? I'm not getting no food.
Get up, man, yo.
Yeah.
You not go on
in yo, nearly.
Get up.
Yeah, go on, everything out.
No, you can't get up, you have to live through.
I can't move, man. I really bumbo clot, I just want to stay.
What make you love drink rum, some man?
If I'm love drink rum.
Yo, I throw water for you.
What you say a while ago?
If I'm love drink blue clot rum.
Allah.
Allah. Yeah, get up him posted blood. Yeah,
Oh, my God. Come up here with it. Junk rancher now.
Bumbo clot. Janko!
Oh, brother.
Oh, Janko, posted, Janko.
Yo.
You. Take that.
Tell you a Janko.
Baba, all the man on the side to bring the man now.
But people, you must drink responsibly, yeah? Yeah, drink responsibly. And don't drink and drive either. Alright, let me know what you think about that video and I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright, now I read different news articles about some things that are going on between organizers of an event that is known as Moodfest and the Grand Palladium Hotel within the country of Jamaica and so on. Alright, now according to some things that I read in at least one of those news articles that I saw, it is said that a spokesman for the now cancelled Mood Festival 2021 said that they went through the correct channels to get the location that is at the Grand Palladium Hotel within the country of Jamaica to keep the Moodfest or Mood Festival event. But the Grand Palladium Hotel is distancing itself from the event. That sounds disrespectful, though. I wonder if because I will have my Rick's Cafe still. Anyways, I have an audio I'm going to present to you, and this audio is sent to me by a person who said that he's a member of the Moodfest team. And someone said some things in this audio that gave me the understanding that the person said that the Moodfest team are taking legal actions against a person who goes by the first name of Delano, the government of Jamaica, and the Grand Palladium Hotel. Here's the audio. Take a listen and observe. Tell me what you think.
From the 4th of June 2021, when we filed action against Mr. Delano Sivrite, the Jamaican government, and the Grand Palladium, we have now seen our actions vindicated by the Jamaican government now moving towards extensive opening of the country's entertainment sector. It is against this backdrop that we emphasize that the claims made by Mr. Delano Sivrite on the 30th of May 2021 as the agent of the Jamaican government was libelous. Mr. Sivrite has now filed an acknowledgement of service, but we await his defense with interest, as well as the response from the Grand Palladium and the Jamaican government. We were also absolutely flabbergasted at the Grand Palladium's insinuation as to the absence of a detailed business discussion between us. These allegations were beyond egregious and required us to seek a remedy in the courts. After months and months of working through the proper channels at both the Jamaica location and the main headquarters of the Grand Palladium, it wasn't until an unrelated local matter for which the Jamaican government came under fire that the Grand Palladium responded adversely in hosting Moodfest at their location. There is obviously a clear link with Grand Palladium's statements and the government of Jamaica's actions, as statements being made by Grand Palladium regarding their dealings with Moodfest are entirely inconsistent with the months of planning between our two entities. Our primary goal of working within the resilient corridor that the Jamaican government themselves instigated, as well as our business intent to afford opportunities to Jamaicans and those visiting Jamaica to experience entertainment within a COVID-compliant environment, was meticulously planned and had every intention of executing. Our diverse team, as is our company's policy and ethos, comprises Jamaicans and non-Jamaicans to reflect Moodfest's social and cultural awareness and inclusion in order to have provided an authentic Jamaican experience. To have achieved this, we worked long and hard with extensive discussions with the Grand Palladium, and we are extremely disappointed with their public statement, which is entirely contrary to what Moodfest is about. In fact, we are now filing a breach of action claim in the Jamaican court against the Grand Palladium, as we feel that the Grand Palladium has badly breached the arrangement and trust we had. We again strongly reject any and all defamatory comments against us, as we look to host Moodfest in Jamaica later this year and provide the positive Jamaican event we intended from the start.
People, that person they will read out their statement, they sound like a liar though. Yeah man, that person they sound like a liar. Big words, you see me? Yeah, I have to Google some of them. See? Yeah, but me get the understanding of what I go on do, you know? Yeah, they might keep the party at a place, and then whosoever them organize to keep the party with seems to deny certain things happen and all these kind of things. You see me? I say, it just sounds a bit disrespectful to me. You see me? I say, but let me know what you think about that whole issue right there. And I'm going to move on to a video. Now, someone sent me a video, viewers and subscribers, and the person who sent me the video called me and tell me, say, look how a man beat up this woman and all these things. See? So, I look at the video and I say to myself, oh my God. A man really do a woman like this? That me say to myself, you know. So, me Dancehall Skilla start do some research now to find out what really happened. Why this woman look this way? Only to find out that the woman was just acting. And those red things that are said to be blood all over the woman, they are not blood. It's makeup. See? It's makeup. See? Now, I'm going to present to you a screenshot of the video before I present the video to you, right? Remember now, the video shows the female with some red. But it's makeup. So you're going to see the red in the screenshot, alright? Here's the screenshot. Now, viewers and subscribers, I did my research and I found the same video on a Facebook page along with another video. And some things have been written in those posts that have been posted with those videos that I saw. And both those videos shows the female with the red thing all over her. That is said to be blood, but it's makeup, right? The female was just acting. She was making a movie. See? Now I'm going to read some of the things that have been written in one of those posts to you, my viewers and subscribers, to make sure that I get an understanding that this whole thing is just acting. Nobody didn't beat up the woman. Listen this. Behind the scenes of my new project. Stay tuned. They are bringing my story to life, delivered from rape, domestic violence, and the suicidal thoughts. Hashtag God kept me. Hashtag been through a lot. Hashtag anointed to do this. So nobody never beat up the woman. That's not blood on the woman. That's makeup. The woman is acting. She was making a movie, and it seems as if she was trying to bring awareness to females or persons who are being abused or have been abused and all these things, whether by rape or even by suicide as well. And them things. There's like the person that tried to make this video or so forth for that awareness. You see what I say? Anyways, I'm gonna present the video to you, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. Viewers and subscribers, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen, and observe.
Oh God, so tabashi, oh. Sorry, Brittany.
That's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm just trying to
This video.
calm myself down.
No.
Yeah, so some of the times when you see certain videos posted on social media with certain informations behind it, double check. Try and see if you can get the right informations about it. Me Dancehall skilla there, so you can check me for that too. You see me I say? Anyways, I just gonna left it. Big up and respect to each and everyone, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I mean, name Dancehall skilla, you know. Big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla Entertainment.